Welcome back to another useless video filled with nothingness. I built a motor. If you, for some reason, are here just to follow along and watch me build this motor and maybe build one yourself and use this as sort of a guide, I don't recommend it, but I will put a little link to the timestamp that you can click out of. If you're here because you followed along with the Jaguar, well, congratulations, because... Wait, what the f***? Who cut my f***ing fuel line? It was already unattached. Anyway, we got this absolute monstrosity out of the car, and where I left you off last, I had some issues. And by issues, I mean electrical. Actually, none of them were really all that big of a deal. Stuff that I probably could have figured out and would have had the motor running by now if I had actually devoted my time to it. But I'm not good with electrical stuff. The shitty thing though is the only thing that was wrong with it was the ignition system. I was getting spark right away as soon as I clicked the key and nothing after. I got a good, nice, strong crank after figuring out plenty of issues there. I just couldn't chase down exactly what was wrong with it. Of course, the simplest motor ever made that can run on literally like 2 or 3 wires, minus spark plug wires, is that. I mean, this literally takes fuel and burns it. That's it, nothing else. This is literally the most simple thing I could ever think of. And I didn't want to initially swap this car, however, I hate wiring and I know how an engine works, so I figured I as well swap it. Which is what leads me to the best part of this entire video, the motor build. Oh! Okie dokie. Well, do you want to drive it away so I can grab it? Sure. Why did I volunteer? Alright. I don't know what to say. Oh my god! Alright, hold on. What? We go to Chevy now. This is a lot scarier than I thought. You have the pin here for this to actually swing down. Oh my god! That's a problem too, isn't it? Send it! Ooh. Okay. It is not. Good gap. Hit it with your purse. Oh, I'm so f***ed.
Alright, it was literally already down. It's just,
oh my god.
It's on the ground.
Today's the next day after I was just cleaning it. So I spent a good while cleaning this up, and you can tell a lot of these spots are just super gunked up. Obviously, ignore all this oxidization. We'll fix that. Yeah, I mean, all this was just covered. So good and clean now. I took the valve covers off. I am stripping the paint, or what's left of paint, with some aircraft paint remover. So yeah, that should get that pretty cleaned up. And then I just got some wrinkle red and wrinkle black paint for the valve cover and block. So yeah, we're gonna paint that and then we'll be good. Can't really see it very well, but sprayed the first coat of wrinkle black paint. So we'll let that dry for another couple minutes. We're just gonna start tearing this thing down a little bit. I'm not gonna take it all the way apart, but getting this down to pretty much as bare metal as possible, and then making all this wrinkle black as well, so it's all one color. So yeah, we'll do a little time lapse of me tearing this apart.
Yeah, 10 out of 10, let's wait. I've been going big on the bigs out of state. Do research, check out the back of my plates. I rep so heavy, attack when I take. Still I'm on that for the long run. That name that you got, say the right one. Don't try me, I rap like a python. Had enough of the talk, they be hustling. Got my name up, came up off of nothing. Jersey gon' hang up like Jane, cause I'm chosen. Need my necklace and wrist, sit frozen. Getting bread out the game like I throwed it. It don't make me no bigger to show it. The stack, cause I'm here for the trophy. Made it law where they cannot appeal. Show them nothing less than all the real. What you think it cost me out the deal? All I know is how I came in from the door.
All right, well, I've never worked on a small block before. Is water supposed to be coming out of the starter bolt? I probably sound really dumb right now, but I was not expecting that. Give me it! Give me it! Yeah, well, is that supposed to happen?
All they want is more. Now I'm known to the world, I ain't tryna feel. Just run it up till I hit. My money grown, project grown, feel at home. Got the juice, minute made. I'm calling game in his face. Soon as Slim hit a J, renegade. My people long, won't be long till we all sitting on center stage, getting right off what I do. I know they getting tight off how I move. I still ain't did a write off on these juniors yet. I never even claimed that we was cool. Really, I was just playing it by the rules. Still moving like gang, I nothing to lose. But most of them won't know until I show them, and that's why I'm just trying to keep it smooth. Did it all of my prior just to prove that I can make it all real without they rules. And for the haul, I don't plan on stopping soon. All I know is how I came in from the door. Since a touchdown, all they want is more. Now I'm known to the world, I ain't tryna feel. Just run it up till I hit a meal.
All of that just came out of the water. Oh my God! Just came out of the water pump. Yikes. All right, so it's the next day after I was just cleaning and painting, and here are the valve covers. They turned out pretty good, not too bad. This is originally what it looked like for the most part. I'll end up painting this, of course, to match all the rest. But yeah, in other news, here. I'm not sure if you can see that in there, but a lot of rust. Lot of rust. And that's just one of the cylinders, or one of the valves. So pretty bad. Originally, I did not want to really rebuild the top end like at all. I didn't really want to rebuild any of it. I didn't want to tear it apart at all. But as soon as I saw that, and then as soon as I saw how much crap came out of that water pump, I knew that like if I spin this around more than 5 times, we're gonna get rust lodged in piston rings. It's just not gonna be fun if it hasn't already happened. So yeah, definitely gonna have to tear heads off to at least assess the cylinders, and then probably end up, you know, honing it out a little. Next order of business, head studs. That's it. All right, so I just pulled the head off, and I'm not terribly surprised by what I found. Just a shitload of rust everywhere. Yeah. All right, both heads are off, and that's why I tore this motor apart. I mean, look at that. This looks like Copenhagen long cut. Pulled off the first rod cap, and the inside of it actually isn't too terrible. You can see a lot of scoring up top there, and then just normal grooves along the side. These right here are definitely pretty deep for a bearing, but flipping it over, a lot of like heat scoring. So yeah, I don't know if bearings usually look that bad on the backside, but that's a little concerning. And everything is nice and organized. Look at how nice that is. Probably doesn't need to be because it's a 350 and it can run on vegetable oil, but we got all 1 through 4 and then 5 through 8. So cool. All right, I just pried on each lobe, and yeah, it started to come out. Just kidding, you f***ing idiot. You believe that, huh? Dude. How much more convincing? Oh my god, there we go. Okay. Cab lobe's out, brother. Actually looks pretty good. Usually you'll see a lot of these just get worn down after a lot of use, a lot of miles. But this is not bad. I mean, all the lobes are there. They are in the shape of lobes. So I say, f it. Let's reuse it. A little big, but nope. Oh, 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 oh. Ah. Okay. Okay. Goddamn, brother.
Classic.
Good job, Noah.
Thanks, bro. Good job holding tight. Man, that looks like shit.
That looks so cool. Like a spider web. See
Yeah,
there?
Did you already clean these up?
Nope.
The second one sounded way less gross.
Yeah.
Oh. New method.
Destroy the bearing. Have you watched any of my videos?
No, not yet, no.
You mean
That's
to
good.
tell me you guys didn't want to click on the video he posted where he was naked in the thumbnail?
I unfortunately did watch that one.
That's the one you watched?
I've actually watched all of them.
Hopefully it doesn't get loose.
Fish.
No. So we gotta find a new short block. Oh, easy.
Ouch.
Jesus.
Nice.
Thanks. Hell no. Okay, can't move. Go. Go. This is where it's going. There you go. Okay. Almost the last one. Yeah, just slam it slow. There you go. Come on. It's in. And we're in! Spin that mama. Okay, never mind.
Shake that monkey.
It won't spin.
Yeah, it doesn't really spin.
It's really hard.
Is that supposed to spin?
I don't know. Okay.
Line your rod up.
Well, we need some glue on this.
I'll get the.
We could just put it on them.
Could.
You're right. No, this is way smaller.
Not really though.
I was being sarcastic. Get closer to this.
It's funny because I have like 3 impact things that I could just drill this in there in 2 seconds.
I think I could just like twist it.
Oh yeah. How's that? Yes.
Good job, bro.
Sometimes. No!
Where's this rod going?
It's going in! Watch. It'll just.
Why you just looped it?
Boop. Stupid.
Stupid dumb.
We got all the internals in. Everything is pretty good so far. We'll get this all put together, but for right now, we got clean. If you have the option to put a drain in your garage, do it, because wow, it's really helpful. All right, back to it. Oh my God. It's been freaking pouring rain here in Minnesota for like the last 2-3 weeks now. This is ridiculous. I'm so tired of it. All right. Just finished up with the timing chain. Super duper easy. If for whatever reason you clicked on this video and you're following along to build your Chevy 350, well, first of all, click out because I am doing this completely unorthodox. But regardless, main piece is you get a dot on your timing or on your camshaft timing sprocket, and then you got a dot on your crankshaft. Really, all you got to do is fit your cam sprocket on in the dowel. Line up the dot with the other dot. Ideally, you're facing in towards each other because that's important. So yeah, dot to dot and throw the chain on, you're good. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Will, why are you grinding down a rusty piece of shit oil pan? I'm f***ing broke. Also, I have like 80 million freckles all of a sudden.
These strange times that we live in slowly eat you alive if you stay. Welcome to my darkest there. Everyone here. Okay, you gonna stay?
I forgot something. I was wondering why I could see the chains so well. And I even set the f***ing gasket seal on top of this on the bench. And then I completely forgot about it. Daddy.
Too tight. I can't get it in. It's too tight.
Why'd you take the sensor out?
How are you gonna put the
Circle it. And sit around it. Hold on, I'm getting there.
Oh my.
Okay, I got two threads. Hammer, dude. Damn, dude. Look at those beads, dude.
More. I'm a welder by profession.
And I'll put it back down. Get the 5 stars.
You picked it up like a.
I didn't think about it. It's not even gone.
Yeah, look, it's not even touching.
Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, I placed it.
Throw away the rubber thing. Throw away the rubber thing.
You know, Vice Grip Garage said throw away the rubber thing, so I threw away the
Was it
fucking
a
rubber
joke?
thing. Oh, look at my fingerprint.
Dude, I cannot believe you put it down like
Just
that.
wiped away.
Just put it back.
It's fine. Hold on, let me throw some RTV on the back of this so it can stay.
Toss some more TV on there.
I'm gonna throw it on the back so we can lick and stick it down.
The old licking stick.
You're Mr. Miyagi, you're just gonna freaking.
I didn't think about anything, actually.
Wipe it. Oh.
Dude, my fucking covered.
Dude, the wall.
Who let me put that on there?
I cannot believe
No, it needs it over here. Oh my god! The wall.
That's all your fingers.
That's like an inch tall.
Well, you fucking do it then. How are we supposed to line up this gasket?
There we go. That ain't gonna leak.
Ready?
Wrong way!
Ah, Okay, ready?
Yeah. Alright. Coolio.
We're on. Woo. Yep. Oh, we're lined up. All right, let me grab my silver bolts.
It's almost impossible for this thing to leak.
A speed build.
Bro, that's a crack.
That's a fucking JB
You bought
Welch
a casting, dude.
son of a
God. What'd you pay for that?
90.
Hopefully it don't leak.
Time for another beer.
Dude, this intake sucks already. Have you thought about how you're gonna fuel linkage?
No.
I'm gonna.
So I patina, well, I didn't patina it, but I threw some clear coat, just a couple bases, and then I wet sand a little bit and then threw another coat on. So yeah, I mean, I think this is kind of a cool tribute to what the motor used to look like, how it was. I tried to just barely wipe away the dirt so I could just throw some clear coat on. So it still has the old Chevy orange paint. So yeah, pretty cool. Oh my God, so heavy. Anyway, there it is, pretty much done. I gotta buy all the expensive stuff, accessories, and I don't have money for that, so it'll probably be a while before I'm talking to you again. Don't buy a house when you're 23 and not making a lot of money. Whew. Going to the gym next.